My passion for science has stemmed from when I was in middle school. All throughout my younger years, I heard about how my brother was the star of the middle school science Olympiad team, and when I finally got to the sixth grade, I was determined to not follow in his footsteps. However, after lots of convincing, I decided to give Science Olympiad a shot. I immediately fell in love with the competition. This was the first extracurricular that I truly felt gave me an opportunity to shine. I find out that nothing comes without hard work while learning about the scientific method, and I carry my learned skills from previous years with me now, and I continue to improve and fine tune them. From this internship, I hope to gain vital field experience and research skills by working with actual scientists, while I also apply what I've learned in my classes to the real world. I hope to go into the field of computer science, so ideally throughout this internship, I can learn skills that I can apply to a job later on. In the classroom, we are constantly hearing about topics that we rarely get to see play out in real life. For example, in AP Bio, we learn about the cell life cycle. But even with our labs, we barely scratch the surface of an entire discipline of biology. Or in AP Calc, where we learn how to problem solve, but not how calculus affects us. Or in AP Comp Sci, where we learn the logic behind method calls and polymorphism, but never even how these are applied to the software that we use daily. These are questions I hope to dive deeper into by immersing myself in this hands-on internship. One of the skills I'm able to bring to the table is my prior experience with the Spark program. Last year, I had the opportunity to participate as a peer reviewer, and I learned a lot about the process of coming up with a question and conducting an experiment in order to investigate an answer. I also have proficient communication and organizational skills, which go hand in hand to make a more successful experience. My self-motivation will allow me to conduct an experiment that I'm proud of, which I hope I can make a difference with. Thank you for taking the time to review my application.